Yo, what up you guys? I'm at a studio in Miami today. I'm gonna be shooting 4 models from Wilhelmina men's division today in the studio. Before anything though, before we get into this, subscribe, hit a like, leave a comment, support your boy, and check out my work on Instagram if you want, _youngshot.
This is probably the best catch you have done.
Damn bro, appreciate it. What's up guys, I'm in the studio today in Miami, Florida. I'm shooting 4 male models on the men's division in Wilhelmina. I'm gonna show you around, I like to switch around a lot of my lighting while I shoot. I'm gonna kind of take you a little bit through it if I can. Show you the final images once they get retouched. And just take a behind the scenes look at how the day goes today, shooting some portfolio updates for the men's division in Wilhelmina. I know I've been lacking with the episodes this past 2 weeks because we're all about that weekly upload and stuff. I had the 4th annual charity showcase this past weekend. I haven't put out the NFT collection like I promised because I've still been really busy wrapping things up. I'm going to Hawaii this Friday, but I will put it out before I leave or at some point soon, and then talk about that either on my Instagram or wherever it may be. So keep an eye out for that. The charity showcase went well. It was a slower year compared to the rest, but nonetheless, last minute, pulled through and and it's all about the continuity, you know, as well. And then the third thing I was gonna mention, what was it? I don't recall, but yeah, so, and yeah, I'd love to hear more about your thoughts on these images and what you think, if you enjoyed them, if you think if they're super dope or if they're halfway dope or whatever. But I will be doing a bit of a vlog for Hawaii, and dude, it would be cool to do more talking videos, just talking about stuff. So if there's anything you guys want me to talk about, even if it's not photography, whatever it is, like, always feel free to, my comments are open for whatever that is, you know, leave it there. And yeah, thanks again, you guys, for watching. I really appreciate the support. And you know, check out my work on Instagram if you want, _youngshot, and I'll see you guys next time.